Please send your code to your portable.
Do you speak English, sir? Do you speak English, sir? Do you speak English? You are on the position 05 degree 27 minutes 367 second north, 109 degree 29 minutes 023 second east, sir. And that is Indonesian territory.
This is China Coast Guard 5002. We are carrying out patrol in the sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. Your vessel has entered the sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. China has indisputable sovereignty over the island in South China Sea and the adjacent waters, and enjoys sovereign rights and jurisdiction in the relevant waters, as well as the seabed and subsoil.
Yes, sir. I order you, sir. I order you to go away from our territory. Go away.
My fishing boat now is no more working. Can't leave this.
Take your fishing vessel, sir. Go away from our territory. Go away.
My fishing boat is no more work in this sea area.
Leave them, sir. Leave them, or take them away. Take them away. I order you to leave this territory.
Fishing boat is no more work. We can't live there.
No more worker, copy. So leave them and go away. Leave them and go away, sir. I order you, sir, to leave this territory. I order you to leave this territory. Take your fishing boat or leave them.
Para Coast Guard terus bisa mengurangi perjalanan.
Natuna への投資を呼びかけたいと思います。
Saya ingin mengajak Jepang untuk melakukan investasi di Natuna.
Sepertinya Indonesia mulai mencari dukungan internasional terkait masalah Natuna. Tak main-main bukan Zimbabwe yang diundang Indonesia, tapi negaranya Pak Sigeo yaitu Jepang langsung, yang notabene adalah tetangga dan musuh bebuyutan China. Jepang jelas mengakui Natuna adalah milik Indonesia. Jepang menyatakan keprihatinan atas insiden kapal-kapal ikan asing yang menerobos zona ekonomi eksklusif Indonesia di perairan dekat Natuna, Kepulauan Riau. Jepang berencana menggelontorkan sejumlah modal untuk membangun sentra perikanan dan pelabuhan di pulau-pulau terluar tersebut. Perairan Natuna menjadi sorotan publik belakangan ini setelah setidaknya 50 kapal ikan China menerobos masuk dan memancing ikan secara ilegal di zona ekonomi eksklusif Indonesia. Menyikapi hal tersebut, Indonesia memang telah mengundang Amerika dan Jepang dan mungkin Abu Dhabi untuk berinvestasi di pulau-pulau terluar Indonesia.